What's up guys, hope you are all doing well. Welcome to the channel. I'm really excited to have you here and I can't wait to share some information with you. This is the first video in the exterior visualization workshop. I will walk you through how I create this exterior scene from start to finish. Well, in the beginning I was planning to make a full tutorial covers the design and rendering process of an exterior scene, but I realized that will become a very long tutorial. So I picked up a design from Pinterest and I will be trying to recreate it. This is the design that I picked, which is a residential project designed by Mohsen, an Iranian architect. So in this short workshop, we will be focusing on the visualization process, which include the modeling, texturing, lighting, setting up the scene, etc. Okay, so which programs you will need? For the modeling part, we are going to use 3ds Max. It doesn't matter which version you have, in the end you will get the same result. So as for VRay, what we'll be using as a rendering engine, but I recommend it to use VRay next since it's much faster and a little bit easier to use than the previous versions. Finally, we are going to do some color corrections using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Firstly, let's take a look at the design process. In the beginning, the architect took a simple box and divided it to a smaller units. After that, he changed the proportion of some units to break the rhythm, and finally he makes openings and he chose a half arch shape to make the openings. Why he did that? Because, as I said before, this design is located in Iran and Iran is famous for its Islamic architecture. So he reflected that in his design and chose the arch shape to make the openings, and in the end he reached to this like simple but elegant design, and even he didn't use a lot of materials, just one material for the tile building, and that's it. So that's why I picked up this example to work on, and I really like it because I wanted to show you that it doesn't necessarily to use like complex shape and this crazy form to reach a good design. You can make a good design by starting from a simple yet powerful idea that represents the environment, represents the surrounding of the building, and yet serve the function of the building. Okay, so now let me show you a tool that is very helpful when it comes to researching for reference, example, etc. This tool is called Pure Reference, I think, and you can find it on Google. Just type Pure Ref and you will find it. It's free to download, and after that basically it will give you like an infinity canvas which you can put all the image that you found on Google Image, Pinterest, Behance, whatever. Just drag and drop the image that you want in this canvas, and that's it. So it's way better than the traditional method that when you have to save the image that you found in a new folder, and after that you have to open the folder and see every image in that folder. But now by using this tool you can like put it all in one folder and just zoom in, zoom out, change the location, and it's easier to compare. For example, here in the design process that you can compare the image so simply and much better than the traditional way. So basically these are some of the examples that I found on Pinterest, and of course there are much more. So if you are interested in, you can search Pinterest or Behance, ArtStation, or even Google Image to find new designs, to find inspiration before starting working on your project. So back to our project. Before we are starting the modeling part, we need an accurate AutoCAD drawing to get a result that is very close to the reference image. So I did it using AutoCAD and based on the final image, and I tried to be as accurate as I can. So if you are interested in getting the project files to work on with, such as the AutoCAD drawings, the final 3ds Max file including all the texturing, the materials, the building modeling, the objects, the HDRI lighting, etc. You can find it in the Patreon page, link in the video description. Okay, so that's it for this video. I wanted just to make an introduction to the project that we are going to work on. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. In the next video we are going to work on the modeling part from start to finish, and we are going to use different tools and techniques to do that. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.